Alright, let's look at the hallmark 2.5, problem number 6. Alright, let's find the derivative of this following function. Alright, so we want to find y prime. Alright, so this is the power rule first. So put 3 in front. Keep the inside function as it is. So 8x squared minus 5 over 4 minus x, and then subtract 1 from the power, so it's a second power here, and then multiply by derivative of the inside, but the inside is a quotient, so we're going to have to use a quotient rule. Alright, so square the bottom, so it's going to be 4 minus x, so quantity squared. Alright, the derivative of the top is going to be, put 2 in front, 8 times 2 is 16x, and the derivative of negative 5 is 0, times the bottom guy, so it's a 4 minus x, minus, we're going to have top guy, which is 8x squared minus 5, multiply by derivative of the bottom, which is negative 1, because derivative of 4 is 0, derivative of negative x is negative 1. So we have that. Alright, so let's see. So we just need to clean it up a little bit here. Alright, so on the bottom, looks like we have 4 minus x, then you have square here, and 4 minus x squared. So you have quantity 4 minus x to the 4th power, right? That takes care of this guy and that guy there, right? Then we have a 3 here right in front, so that takes care of this guy. Alright, then we have 8x squared minus 5 squared, right? So that will take care of that guy and also that guy, right? So we just need to clean this up a little bit here, right? So what we get is, let's say there's a negative sign here, so I'm going to turn it into a positive here. Alright, then you're going to have, let's see, I'm going to go ahead and multiply this out. So this is going to be 4 times 6 is 24, and 4 times 1 is 4, so it's a 64x, and the 16x times negative x will be negative 16x squared. Alright, then we are adding 8x squared minus 5, so let's write that down. Alright, so we have, let's see, let's say 8x squared and the negative 16, so it's going to be negative 8x squared, right? So that will take care of this guy and that guy there, right? Then we have plus 64x, right? That takes care of this guy right there. Alright, then we still have a negative 5, so I have to put negative 5. Right, so we got that. Alright, so let's type this guy in. Alright, so what we got is it's going to be a fraction. So on top you have 3 and 8x squared minus 5 squared, and then we're going to multiply by negative 8x squared plus 64x minus 5, and the denominator is quantity 4 minus x raise it to the 4th power. Alright, so let's submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.